Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Crystal Sky. How are y'all doing today? And I hope you guys have a nice day or night or whatever you're having. But today I'm gonna show you how I make my thumbnails. Now, I make my thumbnails on this app called Canva, which I discovered thanks to this YouTuber called Julia K. Christ. Yeah, I discovered it thanks to one of her tips, like for YouTube. So pretty much, guys, it was a regular day and I was watching a video of how to make thumbnails and some tips to help me with my YouTube channel. So thank you for your video. But anyway, let's get into it. So what you do is you go on to search and you go to YouTube channel art, which I already have. So click on here, and here are some like options that you can pick from. Now I usually don't pick these. I pick the blank one. After I pick the blank canvas, I go to camera roll. And in my camera roll, I pick the image, which for today I'm using an iPhone, which go figures. But after that, I do it like this. And there we go, we got the iPhone. Now what I do, then after I pick the image, I don't want to make this one too big. So I'm gonna leave it like that. After, I click back onto that and I choose one of the line shapes. Now there's so many line shapes and the app must have changed because it wasn't like this before. But I usually choose the square. So we're gonna choose. Actually, you know what? Today we're gonna go for this shape. And it's red just like I want it to be. Now I stretch it out. And I pull it up or... Wait, can I really pull it up with this one? Oh, that's sad. No, I cannot. So if I realize that I can't pull it up or pull it down, I am gonna go with the square then. I attach it to the actual board and then I do it like this. After I have done that and I have chosen what I want to do, I might move the picture over just a little bit so it looks like they're in sync, hopefully. Then what I do is I pick my text. Now for text, there's lots of ones you can pick from. There's like so many, but today I'm thinking bold, so I'm gonna go with this. And I'm gonna change the size first and I'm gonna type in let's see, what should I type in? So how I edit on a phone, or how I make a thumbnail on a phone. Phone. Now I don't use this app a lot, so if this video is a bit boring, I do apologize in advance. But this is how I do it. Now you can also change the color. So if you scroll through here, you can change the color of how you want it. And you can apparently... Now if you don't want to pick any of the colors from the color palette, you can go into this little square here and you can choose your own. Now I'm feeling maybe green or yellow today. Let's see how it looks with green. Let me see. I'm just moving around to see like what color I really want. Definitely not purple and definitely not pink. Alright, so I kind of like the yellow. So let's keep it like that. Then usually sometimes I'm just... Oops, sorry, let me close it. Sometimes I usually just leave it like this, but I do feel like it is a bit plain. So what I do is I go here and I go to elements. Now for elements or a template, you can choose different things, but I'm going to elements. So I can put computer, and let's see what we get. So we get a couple things of this, and I can put it like in the frame or around the frame, but I'm using a phone, so let's do iPhone. So I can put this one around, so I can make it smaller, and I can flip it. Oh man, I can't flip this one. That's kind of sad. But yeah, I can also change its color. So I'm thinking a red. So not red, excuse me. Not red, guys, not red. Yellow. So I can just put these apples around the border, and I can duplicate them so I don't have to do it again. And if they're too close to the border, I can just make them smaller and duplicate them again. Now for the bottom, I'm gonna do something different. For the bottom, I can have frame. So I type in frame. Now there is frames like this, and that's not what I need. So what I do is, whoops, I don't know why that happened. I do, let's do outline and see what we get. I am new to this app, so please do not outlet. Oops. So let's do line. So there's a couple lines here, and I am thinking to do this one. So this one is quite big. Now if I don't like it, I could potentially change it. Now I don't like it, so I'm gonna end up changing it. So there's a couple things I used over since I started. I forgot what they're called, guys. Or for example, if I want to add some color. So let's do frame, line, shapes. Let's do, I don't know, guys. I don't know. What should I do? There's a couple things I can do. I can use this gold one. So what I can do, this gold one, is I can flip it over. I can put it on the bottom. Now I'm gonna flip it like this, and I'm gonna lower it. Then I'm gonna just stretch it out. And there we go, guys. We got our thumbnail all done. Now this was really simple, and like I said, I am new to this app, so please don't say, oh my gosh, this is so simple. As I said, I am new to it, so I'm still learning, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that like, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.